Hello, guys. Good morning. This is Dhaval from Sportskida, and today we are going to be joined by Gurpreet Singh Sandhu, India's number one goalkeeper.
Hello,
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, yaar. How are you, Dhawan?
I'm very good. So what's going on?
Nothing, yaar. I just had food.
Uh, अभी हाल ही में आपने एक सोशल मीडिया पे पिक्चर पोस्ट किया था, विच हैज
Yeah,
गॉन वायरल, जिसमें आपके पास
I
क्रिकेट
wish
किट है.
it went
तो आप
viral.
उसकी तो it kind of did. So what is the story? आप क्रिकेट खेलते थे?
Uh, मैंने शुरू में at least I tried. मैं खेला नहीं, but I tried. My dad is a big cricket fan. I love cricket as well. Or my dad's dream was to be a cricketer, but back then parents didn't think that being in sports is the best idea. So he couldn't achieve that dream of his. So when I was a kid, he knew some people at this academy in Mohali next to the stadium. तो उन्होंने बोला कि मेरा बेटा भी खेलेगा क्रिकेट थोड़ी बहुत जो भी है ट्राई करेगा एटलीस्ट देयर इज एन एकेडमी तो आई वेंट देयर टू द एकेडमी आई trained 3-4 days and then I came back home I was like यार डैड मतलब मजा नहीं आ रहा ना ही मेरे को बैटिंग देते हैं ना ही मेरे को बॉलिंग देते हैं बस फील्डिंग कराते हैं
फील्डिंग कराते रहते हैं.
और रन मतलब राउंड्स लगवाते हैं ग्राउंड के
ग्राउंड के चक्कर मारते हो.
हाँ लेकिन नहीं यार मेरे को नहीं जाना है वापस so that's when after 3-4 days I was like done with it and after that football happened and I enjoyed it a lot you know
Right.
because it's a team sport you share the ball and stuff like that you play it's just a connection that happened and I never watched football before that mind you.
Wow. But then you started to like grow into football, and you followed football also then in childhood.
Yeah, I mean, I think when I joined the football academy back in 99 or 2000, I think. So until up till 2006 7, I didn't watch football still because I didn't know
Okay.
that we had domestic leagues. There are foreign leagues, EPL, La Liga, and stuff like that. So I didn't know. Hold on. Good job, Simba. Keep going. Yes.
Mr. Exam Warrior is asking your height.
Yeah, someone's
Uh,
home. Hold on.
he's 6'6".
Yeah. Anyways,
Yeah.
so I was saying, yeah, I mean, I didn't watch football until 2006 7.
Right.
When I joined the junior national teams, that's when we started to watch some football. And the
Okay.
first time I watched
And
football was Man United and stuff like that. And I really loved it.
okay. So you are a Manchester United fan.
Uh, I used to watch them play because I used to love watching Alex Ferguson's team play and all of
Right.
the players that were playing back then, Van der Sar, something. Someone who I admired a lot, thinking that यार मेरी भी हाइट शायद एडविन वेंडरसार जितनी है तो वो जैसे
है.
खेलते हैं मुझे भी
बिल्कुल
वैसे ही
ठीक.
खेलना है वैसी जर्सी पहननी है वैसे कलर के सॉक्स पहनने हैं so I used to
Right.
follow that a lot.
Great. Great. Arshpreet is
Yeah.
saying hi. Hi, Arshpreet. Okay.
Shpreet is saying
So
okay. Hi. Okay, yeah. He's waving. I wave him back.
yeah. So, Gurpreet, you had some stints abroad. You had successful stint. You also became the first Indian player to play in European match.
Yeah.
How was your experience over there?
It was great, yeah. It was something that I wanted to do uh, at one point in my career. It was never my focus before. जब मैंने ईस्ट बंगाल ज्वाइन किया था
Hmm.
first 1 year I think it was never my focus because you think about that you're in the I League, you're in one of the biggest teams in India. ठीक है, this is your life, this is football, and then when someone comes in and tells you that You can do better. You can play outside. I think you're wasting your time here. You should go outside. That's when it clicked in my head. Ki, yaar, I mean, if someone as big as John Burridge, who comes down to Kolkata and tells me that I can do it, who has played in the Premier League, it
Exactly.
means something. And that's when I started to ड्रीम अबाउट बीइंग आउटसाइड ट्राइंग आउटसाइड और उसी टाइम पे जैसे छेत्री भाई भी बाहर गए थे Baichung Bhutia had been outside as
Exactly.
well. So
Yes.
you automatically like a light bulb and you're like, I want to be that, I want to do that. And that's when I decided that I want to go out. 2012 was the first time when I went to England, to Wigan. And
Okay.
those were the best 6 7 days that I spent. Got a taste of Indian football, sorry, English football, and I think also on that regard, I would say that also made me show so much that we have to do in Indian football to match up with the kind of football is being played up there. So
Right.
yeah, it was incredible. Yeah, there were some ups and downs as well. I tried in various other clubs as well.
Right.
I even tried at Bolton Wanderers once, but it didn't go well. It didn't happen. And yeah, Norway happened. Norway was great for me. I was very, very lucky that I got a 3 year deal. Usually, players who come from a place which is unproven, when you go to a stage where they barely have heard football being played in that country, and you
Right.
go there and the club offers you a 3 year contract is something very rarely happens, and I was very lucky in that manner.
Right. Right. And I wanted to ask you that our team had couple of rough years, yeah, like our clubs and our international teams too. So, what do you think about that?
In terms of
What
national
do
team or
our
clubs?
clubs in Asian level competitions, they have not
Oh
done
yeah, yeah.
as good as we expect them. So, क्या गलत रहा?
Uh, I think. See, the thing is, to do well in Asia, you need to think about being in Asia.
Right.
मेरे ख्याल से जब पहले our teams used to go and play
Hmm.
in Asian competitions, the desire and the hunger of being the best or be in the top 15 in Asia was maybe not there, but with time, now the focus has changed. Before, people saw that as a competition that they have to play if they win the league, right? It's a compulsory tournament that you have to play. Now people play for that competition. They want to win the league because they want to play that competition. That is the shift that has happened, I think, in my opinion, especially because of the success of BFC in Asia as well. For a
Right.
consecutive years, BFC did well, and they have reached the finals as well of the AFC Cup, semi-finals. So if these kind of things keep happening more and more often, teams who are hungry to play the Champions League want to play the Asian Cups. That's when things will start getting better. I'm pretty sure it will. We have two really good teams who will play in the Asian competitions next year. Goa and ATK, and I'm
Right.
I'm very happy for them and thrilled to see how they do.
Yeah. As you said, BFC has done well in Asia in couple of seasons. मैं उसी पे आने वाला था. You played in North Korea, like in
Yeah, that
versus
we've played one game.
4.25 actually. Like, how was
Uh,
that experience?
oh, it was it was it was a mixed emotion experience because at that time जब हम लोग जा रहे थे so a lot of things you could hear about how North Korea is and what was happening and ये मिसाइल वो मिसाइल तैयार हो रही है this and that so we were very optimistic and be like यार मतलब we have a job on our hands, let's get that job done and get out of there. But but to experience what we did was truly that I can, always remember for the rest of my life. Very strict place, very. There's not going to be any kind of BS over there. ठीक है उधर मतलब you can't mess with anyone, right? And
Right.
the team is really really good. 4.25 SC was a very good team, and we were very very fortunate to get a result over there. Um, they hit the post a couple of times, मुझे एक penalty save करने को मिल गई. So these kind of things, these games show a lot of things about yourself and the team. And I think that game was one of the best games that BFC ever played because it showed a lot of character, team spirit that BFC has.
So in ISL, you played with so many players. So कौन-कौन से youngsters हैं जिन्होंने आपको impress किया अब तक?
Uh, that's a good question, yeah. I mean, last year, I think from BFC, I will say that Suresh Bangjam, without a doubt, was one of the best youngsters that we had last year. And then you have Leon. Prabsukhan Gill is a great prospect. He's a good keeper and he'll grow with time. Or Sumit Rathi is someone who will grow as well. And I think a couple of players from Kerala. We have Sahal, who's still young. He can do so much. He will be very, very important for us in Indian football in the coming years. Changte had a good season as well. You know, Jerry picked up his form as well in Chennai. Um, Thapa had a good season as well. So all these players, I
Yeah.
think, because they are doing consistently well year by year, they'll be very good players in the coming times.
Uh, Sid Reval is asking, which is your favorite club except BFC?
Oh, okay. My favorite club is Man City. I like Man City
Wow.
from England. Uh, from Italy, I like Juventus.
Okay.
From Spain, I like Atletico Madrid and Barcelona
Wow.
and Real Madrid. सारे
So
बोल
so who तो आप फीफा में कौन सी टीम सिलेक्ट करते हो इतनी सारी में से?
दो. Depends, yeah. I mean, I choose even Liverpool. Liverpool is great. But ज्यादातर मैं choose करता हूँ तो I think it's either Real Madrid or Juventus.
Okay. Uh, you were with East Bengal at the start
हाँ
of
जी.
your career.
Yeah,
Do you think they should be in the ISL very soon?
of course, yeah. I mean, if it works out for them and they want to be in the ISL, then why not? They are a big team, great team, and someone like East Bengal and their history will truly uplift the stature of the league.
ठीक.
But it comes down to the the sit on the table aspect of it, and I hope whatever happens for the good for the club and the league.
Manandeep is waving. Hi
मननदीप
Manandeep.
वेव कर देता हूँ. My friend Manandeep can't even wave back, man, on this live. नहीं नहीं, it's all good.
Okay. So we talked about BFC doing well in Asian competitions in past. तो क्या आपको लगता है कि हमारी जो डोमेस्टिक लीग्स है उनको भी मेजर एशियन लीग्स की तरह मई तक चलना चाहिए, थोड़ी लंबी सीजन होनी चाहिए? आपके क्या व्यूज?
Of course, yeah. I mean, that's what was happening before when we were playing, in the I League, and that was great to have, 8, 9 months of football, 10 months of football, and then a break. that's the usual norm of football being played all over the
Well,
world. Or if we can find that dynamic, it'll be great because the more number of games that each and every player plays, it's better for uh, I think Indian football because with more number of games you can have more number of prospects coming in as well. क्योंकि ज़्यादा
exactly.
games होंगी तो there is room for coaches to try out youngsters, try different players as well, and we'll have more options for a national team. So
Right.
I'm truly in and up for having more number of games and have a longer season, be it till April or May or whatever the case is. But to have more number of teams, more number of games is one of the most important and crucial things that should happen in the near future. And I think people are working on it too.